So good day everyone. So this is my question. Number 8. What do you call angles with the sum of 360? So the angle called is explanatory angle or conjugate angle. So para masaktan na tayo, mali siya ang integer. So any two angles na inyong ilan, dapat siya total of 360. So the angle there is 146 degrees plus 220 degrees. So equals to 360 degrees. So ang tawag na is conjugate angle. So sa question 3, a function y has a set of positive integers n as domain, and for each n contained in n, yn equals to 12 plus cosine n times pi plus sine 2n minus 1 times pi all over 2. What are the values of pi corresponding to any at positive integer? So there is a pagkuha sa cosine n times pi. So since kay iingon man sa atong question nga add positive integers. So any add numbers na i-cancel mo sa cosine pi is equals to negative 1. So sa sine 2n minus 1 times pi all over 2 is, since nga add yapon ang ginagmita, ini nga sine times mo ani is equals to positive 1. So i-substitute lang din ninyo ang nakuha nga answer. So yn equals to 12 plus cosine n times pi plus sine 2n minus 1 times pi all over 2. So yn is equals to 12 plus parenthesis negative 1 plus 1. So wala niya ito makuha nga answer. So yn is equals to 12. That's all.